I'm doing a shotgun lobby for zombies. This is a proof video. I'm gonna be giving people shotguns, but I'm not doing it for free anymore. It's just a $10 Amazon card, and if you give me a $10 Amazon card, I'll actually do multiplayer for you too. But proof, these people are that rank, and I click that. Just proving it to you guys. See, they're that rank. These two people down here, they paid. Just $10 Amazon. See, that's proof. So if you want shotguns, just message me on Kick. I'll leave it in the description.